eventful day?
Hi, Didi.
So we brought the sawmill in today, and basically right after we got finished setting everything up, we came up and seen that our one of our ewes had her lambs. It's two little rams. I don't know why they're standing in their feeder like that, but this one right here is a little ram, and this is our other ewe.
I think she's gonna have one baby.
Yeah, the rest of the sheep are up at the other lambing pen, and we just let out the other lamb that we have. Really just waiting on this ewe right here to have her babies now. Hey, don't do that with the shovel, please.
You don't upset, Dada. Hi. Look, uh-oh. Whoa.
Nubby, what are we doing? So we're actually going to plant some berry bushes in a place that I think they'll do real good. Nubby, we're actually going to go this way. Go under it.
You're gonna be next. Under, honey.
No, under.
Oh,
Over fine. Alright, your turn.
Good work.
Crawl under or go over?
Mama.
You can do it. Go under it. Nubby, we're gonna go this way. Here, look, we're gonna stay on the moss.
Oh, why?
Because the snow is still deep over there.
Oh, what does it say?
Oh my goodness.
Don't you need water?
It must be a huge one.
He's up there.
Is there a squirrel that lives up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want to help me pick a place to plant the berries?
Yeah. I just this with you. I just houses.
I think we're going to plant them in here with the birch trees because it means that there's going to be lots of water right here for them.
Whoa, don't dirty. Whoa, look.
A blueberry bush. No, we're not picking cranberries right now. No, don't you want to plant your blueberry bush?
Oh, no, good.
You just have a mosquito on you?
Yeah. Oh, and it was.
Where should we put this blueberry bush, Nadine?
Oh,
You want to pick up that piece of trash? Wow, boys. So we were in the city and we kind of couldn't help ourselves but to buy a bunch of berry bushes. I know there's a lot of berries out here already, but you know, I don't think you can have too many berries. Alright, where should we put it, boys?
later.
Right here?
No, later.
Right where? Right here?
Yeah, later.
Alright, maybe we'll put it right off the game trail. Ooh, that's frozen.
That's gonna be rough.
You wanna?
Some of the world's best soil we've got here.
This is super frozen.
Should we try somewhere that's a little more thaw? Maybe by the big tree root system? Nubby, the spot you picked kind of sucks.
What?
Really frozen, Daddy says.
Oh no, this is done.
So we had to pick a different spot because that other spot over there is super frozen still. But this is just literally an ice cube.
It'll thaw.
I'm planting our bush.
Oh. Mama, see that?
Now we have to be really careful not to step in it.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you do not step on it, okay?
No.
Wow, it's really blending in.
Maybe we'll put a...
You just about killed the bush. Oh, me, watch out for bush. See? Watch out.
That's okay.
No, we just planted it.
You just like blueberries?
This was today. This welcome. This welcome. Down. That's her.
They're coming.
But they turned.
They did turn. They just did.
Catch him. Go.
You're scaring the geese.
Oh no.
Well, we planted all the bushes. Ground's still super frozen, so we didn't record all of it just because it's,
Hopefully they do well.
yeah. Ideally, they'll grow and then a bear will eat the berries and then poop them out
Everywhere.
all over the place. And then they'll just be berries. Specifically those ones. Everywhere.
I hear what is here. Yeah, that's it.
You want them everywhere?
But yeah, this is just a little trail on our property. This is actually an old snowshoe trap line trail that I was running whenever we first moved out here.